How to hide Facebook ads on mobile device. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, I will simply click on Facebook. Here you guys can see on top left corner 3 lines. Also on top right corner profile smile pic. But you will click on top left corner 3 lines. Once you click on that, simply click on See Mode. Here you guys will see Setting and Privacy, so click on that. Now click again on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you guys will see Meta Account Center. See More in Account Centers. Put a click on See More in Account Center. Once you click Hit, you guys can simply scroll. Here you guys can see Ad Preferences. So simply click on Ad Preferences. Once you click Hit, you need to wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see Advertiser you saw ads from. So simply click on See All. Now, wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see all the ads account that you are seeing. Simply select the one that you don't want to see. Once you click on that, you guys can see Hide Ads. Simply click on Hide Ads. Once you click on that, you will be ads hide, and you can do that for all the ads that you are seeing. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.